special guest. The question. Pang beauty queen na question. Go.
Wait, ito sorry mo. Ito dapat. Stage.
May interpreter!
May interpreter.
Kailan yung last time? My beauty.
Ano?
Meron po tayo interpreter. Ay, Jay. Wait, question. Wait, guys. Boy, andito yung candidate. Question, okay. How are you today?
I'm good. Yeah! I'm ready.
Hindi mag-question ako. Hindi yung tanong. The question is, kumusta naman?
Jill!
Wait lang kamustahan ko muna siya. Kamusta ka naman sa number 1? Okay ka naman. So, ilang araw ka nag-prepare for this pageant? 2 hours. 1 minute. Oh my God. Saan ang pinakamabilis? So, tanong ko lang, may just malfunction daw. What is your age naman?
Age. Stop age daw yun. Baka age yun.
What is your age na lang?
What is your age?